Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is a video about how I've used Sketchup, the CAD design program that I use, to do a significant redesign to this walnut table, which is my new project. This is the design, and particularly this focuses on the extension. You'll see here that I was originally planning on two walnut extensions that come out to support the tabletop. They are not in parallel, they're slightly opposed because I wanted them longer. The tabletop with no leaf is 56 inches, and with a single leaf it's 80 inches. This required the use of either a Blum or an Accuride high quality ball bearing slide um, attached. This is the version with those slides open. The slides would attach to the maple interior pieces. This is the tabletop with the leaf attached, and then showing the slides all the way out, giving good support to the leaves. So the design would have worked very well. But using the metal drawer slides, I was concerned that it got a little overly complex. I find that these metal slides, no matter how good a quality they are, that screws will loosen because they're usually very small, very short screws. Um, the tabletop allows for 8 inches between the top and the legs. So that gives people a good amount of support. This is showing with the no leaf, the table slid closed, and then the leaf supports come in. So it was a good design, and it has slots on the end where you would see that just the very end of the support arms. And this again is showing the mechanics of the slides. I had them at 22 inches, so they would be slightly offset to allow for them to fold all the way into the table. So I realized this was a little overly complex, and so I went back into SketchUp about a week later. I had bought all my rough lumber, I was letting it seasoned, and I always overbuy. So this is the new plan that I had done a couple of days ago. And I looked at some more YouTube videos of how other people had done this. And I came up with a plan. The original designer had done dovetails, but I decided to do a long rail with a top and bottom cap. So the top cap will be used to screw into the bottom of the table, and the bottom keeps it in the groove. Um, it uses two also maple interior rails. Those will be dadoed and glued into the sides. This is the table with the top open and the leaf installed, and you'll see there's still very good support on this and still lots of leg room for people because this table will allow two people sitting at the end, three people on the sides. And so this is the table where you would fold the table in and then you'd push the extensions in. So very, very easy. There would be stops on the end so that you would know how far to close it. You'd get a very consistent, clean stop to this. I think this system would be a lot simpler, a lot less work. And again, I'm depending on wood, which once I use my 3-part varnish is really not going to move. So thanks for watching. Please like, please subscribe. This really helps me. Send me any comments and questions. Happy to answer them. And I can tell you where some of the places on YouTube where I got these links. So thanks a lot. Hope you have a great day. Bye.